am rafting down the Rio Grande. Oh, oh, me and me Auntie Fifi go. Oh, and the raft go up and a big ugly man and the raft turn over. Oh, oh,
Right now, our tour all the falls them in Portland, so we start with Scatter Waterfalls. People think you only start rafting from Berrydale, but there's so much more in Berrydale. Yeah man, the good old crayfish and booster soup. Home of crayfish and booster soup. Strong soup. And of course, you know, it's a soup thing in Portland is a serious thing, you know. Whole heap of different kind of soup. Yeah, Carola win that trip here, right?
Yeah, man.
Right up on the seat. Step up, yes.
Right
And sit down up there so now. Saturday, so. Captain, are you still being paid by the Portland Parish Council?
Yeah.
So the Parish Council is responsible for community members going over. Two of you are employed to the Parish Council as captain for this farmer transportation. Blessing.
yeah, it's Nature Day today.
Kita rest still ya come. Come in black.
Where do the beer? Our tour guide. So the man name again?
Valentine, man.
Valentine.
Come in black.
No, but I'm not so on.
Yeah, man. So tell about the falls.
Yeah, man, the fall, a two fall, this one we do right now, and the bottom one lead right up in the hills to the cave.
So where it come from?
Well, it come right onto the mountain, under the ground.
You-
It just run out, the fall run to the cave and come right
What
up.
cave?
And about 10 room apartment here. Fox,
You-
they call it Fox Cave. But the water is Scatter.
Fox Cave.
Yeah.
How you get that name?
Well, I just take the mountain we call Fox. So let's call it Fox Cave. Because here, the cave is, you know,
And you said the falls run right through the cave.
right to the cave. So when I go in the cave, it's to the fall. Right?
You ever gone into that cave?
Yeah, man, several times.
And you said 10 apartments in there.
Yeah, man.
And you,
10
you
apartments.
so you access all 10 apartments,
Yeah, man.
but you have to use light.
Yeah, man, you have to use a light.
How high? How high this falls is?
This one, well, the 10,
It looks to me like about 130 feet.
yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Coming high, man. Real coming out.
So people watching this video want to come to Scatter Waterfalls. How they get in touch with you?
right at the square in Birdale.
In Berrydale. You don't have a phone number?
No, not right now.
All right.
The easy contact.
And what is your name?
Valentine.
Mr. Valentine.
Yeah, you come right at the step in Birdale and ask for Valentine. Take you across the Rio Grande. I'm the operator for the a Portland for Country, yeah?
Respect. Scatter Waterfalls in Berrydale, one of Portland's hidden treasure. Welcome to Portland Spice TV, giving you the spice of Portland as we take you on a falls tour, touring all the falls in Portland. And as we always tell you, Portland, as any one parish, have the most natural attractions in Jamaica. Scatter Waterfalls, one of two falls hidden down here in the valleys of Berrydale. It is beautiful.
Portland Spice TV. Remember to subscribe, share, like, comment.